Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you are back in my kitchen with me today to make the smoothie that I shared with you when I was doing my last live show. The base of this is a grapefruit, the whole thing. Cut it in half, use all the sections and the juice, and I use this wonderful grapefruit spoon that I have. It's serrated on the edges and it dives into each section and pulls out all the juice. And once you've got it, you've got still lots of juice in here. You want to get that out. And I take this spoon and just scrape it down the middle. Now, in order to do this smoothie, you're going to have to like grapefruit. If you don't like grapefruit, you could always use a plant milk as your base. You could use an orange of some kind. You know, they have all varieties of orange. You could use that. The next thing, because I'm not fond of bananas, and I cut my bananas into 8 pieces, so I'm going to use half of a banana because of the thickness and the consistency. And I guess for the taste, okay? And the next thing you're going to use, I use 3/4 of a cup of chopped up apples. Now, it looks like it's way over, but these are frozen apples, okay? Frozen apple chunks. If you don't like apples, then what you could use is a whole banana, okay? Into it goes. The next thing, I use 2 cups of berries. Now my berries are strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, and grapes. Dump them all in. 2 cups and get it all. One got away, hit me on the foot. The last ingredient is a 1/2 teaspoon. Now that sounds like a lot, but I really love cinnamon. I just put that in, sprinkle it on the top. And if you don't like cinnamon that much, cut it down to 1/4 teaspoon or leave it out altogether. Plop on your top, on your blender. We're gonna blend it up. Pour it into your glass to eat. Now the extra, I put it in a washed out container. And I won't do it right now here for you, but you know I got to get it all. I can't leave all that in there. Oh, you don't need any sweetener. You don't need anything else. This is so sweet and so delicious. You are going to love this. I hope you'll try it with the grapefruit because it was kind of like a bit of an accident. I wanted a smoothie one morning and didn't have any milk. And I didn't feel like making almond milk, so I did have some grapefruit, so I used that. And I really like it. It's very refreshing, especially now for summer and the hotter weather. So, cheers to you. I want you to try this smoothie and let me know what you think. Leave me some comments, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click on that bell, okay? So that's it. Bye for now.